My name is Lena Holland. I work with Corporate Europe Observatory, a lobby watchdog organization based here in Brussels. My key takeaways from the Recipes project is, first of all, that the precautionary principle is not only used as a safeguard for policymaking, but also very much as a compass, comparing different innovation pathways, allowing for better solutions that are not only working for sustainability, but also for equality. And the second takeaway is that responsible innovation requires good governance and democratic processes. And in that sense, we really should be dealing with the corporate capture of decision-making, as is still often happening today here in Brussels.